Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all and welcome to my YouTube channel. Our today's video is about learning on the move coming to a small screen near you. So let's start our video. Where do our students learn? First step is lectures, then tutorials, practicals, revision classes, cramming in the last week before exam. So these are the questions, and then we have is mobile learning the answer? Let's see. Is e-learning through mobile computational devices, palms, Windows, CE machines, even your digital cell phone? How the mobility of learners, augmented by personal and public technology, can contribute to the process of gaining new knowledge, skills, and experience. An age of personal and technical mobility and mobile internet devices. A mobile internet device is something that you carry around in your pocket and can deliver the full internet with no compromises. Eventually, we will blanket the globe in wireless broadband connectivity. Mobile learning activities. 10 years of research into mobile learning has revealed no single killer application for mobile technology in learning, but instead has offered a set of promising scenarios such as handheld response systems in classrooms, mobile learning activities. So these are the different activities that should be driven by specific learning objectives, create quick and simple interactions, prepare flexible materials that can be accessed across contexts. Consider special devices. They might add to the learner experience. Use mobile technology not only to deliver learning but to facilitate it. Make use of the facilities in current mobile devices for voice communication note taking. The challenge is, let's explore how we can harness existing technology to make our classes more fun, more engaging and enriched to learning experience for more of our students. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Allah.